And here we begin the cinnamon challenge at Bible study.
Where we learn about Jesus, not just eat cinnamon.
Oh my god. That much?
Come on,
Yeah.
come
Go.
on, Anna.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't just do it.
Well, it kind of hurts. That's
Just
okay.
don't tell her that.
No, wait, is that enough?
Okay, ready?
Wait, you
Yeah. No, that's good. No, that's fine, Anna.
That's good. I'm scared.
Oh,
You can get closer too,
Go.
Blake.
Do you want me to help
No,
you?
no, you need
No,
more.
Anna.
Anna.
As much as Casey has.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta get closer to us because we don't have
That's
shoes
a little-
on.
A little too much. There
Come
you go.
closer
There
to
you go,
us.
Anna.
Girls,
Yeah, closer.
closer because we don't have shoes on.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Bunny! Cat!
Oh, we got a bunny?
Yeah.
Cat chasing bunny.
Here's a bunny.
Did you get that?
Go. Okay, ready? Set.
Oh my god.
Go!
Ha ha ha!